How to verify X account and your age. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can verify X account and your age. First of all, launch open the X app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, select Settings and Support, then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Security and Account Access option. Here you want to tap on the security option. Now to verify your account, you want to tap on ID verification. Here it says if you want to have an ID verified label in your profile, you have to subscribe to Premium. So go ahead and tap on Subscribe to Premium option. Now here are different plans, Basic, Premium and Premium Plus. Go ahead and select whichever it is that you prefer. Then tap on the starting option. Now you can select annual plan or monthly plan. Select and tap on subscribe and pay. Then you will have to enter your payment method over here. If you select credit or debit card, enter all of that detail and then proceed to pay. Once you have been subscribed to Premium, you can simply follow the on-screen prompts over here to verify your account, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.